Alright, I'm back. Ready or not. Pretty hot out here this afternoon. I'm going to attempt another video today. Got the good camera, think I got it going right. But we're going to see. Go out here and get the pigs some water. And go from there. Had a heck of a time with my technology here lately. I'm a little bit technology challenged. So we're going to see how this all works out. I mean, I had some good video last night of the pigs eating vegetable scraps. And I think I told the story better the first time. And got some video of Ethan feeding the pigs. Actually got all of him on video, which I'm not sure he was too happy about, but anyway. Here we are at the pig pen. Let me see, they're all there. Get them a fresh drink of water here. Put y'all right here. See if you got a good view. Yeah, that's a pretty good view. A little different than normal. Why did I turn that like that? Come on, the other way. There's nothing there to eat. I know y'all are starving. You gotta eat all the time. Yeah, you found out that feels good, didn't you? Yeah, that's cool, isn't it? Cool down. Feels like an undead. You're on that butt. Pull the hands off. Okay, stand here and watch them let the water fill up. Kind of lazy days. The pigs are getting long. That's the land race breeding coming out from my studies. Every picture of a land race pig I've ever seen, they're really long. Makes more bacon that way. We like bacon. Here, want that? Like the horseweed. Like the horseweeds. I think I said that before. Say hello. Yeah. Yeah, I know. You getting your best side here? Huh? Yeah, you want to bite those. Yeah, you want some of this action too. Yeah. Yeah. You think you want to be on YouTube? Yeah? You don't say. Alright. Okay. Thanks for the help, Ethan. Appreciate that. Okay. Alright. My cameraman got his job done. He got the camera started. He's headed in to take a shower. The pigs got him muddy. Still not much happening. Hay guy hasn't shown up yet. Waiting on him. As you saw, we got some more pig footage. Boy, the last few days has been kind of rough on me trying to get the video out. Seems that something's always working against me. And it's mostly due to my unpreparedness. I just discovered, just a few minutes ago, half hour, something like that, that we've got an extra battery for the good camera, which I'm using right now. So yeah, I don't know why I didn't know that. I think I'm the one that bought it. So anyway, that was a problem we didn't have. You know. And last night's video took forever. That's why there's no title on it. There's, you know, it's pretty simple. Which, you know. And then there was the issue of my SD card was full. And, you know, I got some really good footage of the pigs eating watermelon, fighting over watermelon. Or I would have gotten some if my card hadn't been full. And then, as I said in the video, I probably did 10 minutes, you know, telling my story and talking about some other stuff. And just for nothing, I guess, just to talk to myself, because the card was full and didn't record any of it. I'm hoping that it's not full now. I know that I got some pig video, a little different angle than I've been doing, but you know, we'll see. I'm pretty sure everybody's tired of being the pigs, but you know, say things are happening slow right now. It's going to take its time, and bear with me. You know, I'm going ahead and trying to get a video every day for the practice. Just get in the practice of sitting here talking to the camera, for the practice of editing, and, you know, framing my shots, and you know, trying to get you the best quality video to watch that we can. But anyway, you know, just bear with us, you know. Like and subscribe if you would. If you like it, you know, hit that like button. It's a big deal. Turn on the notifications, and they'll let you know when you got a new video up. Hopefully you'll start to see some new stuff in these videos as far as the quality, not the quality of my talking, you know. Anyway, yep, you're still probably going to get those gaps and loss of train of thought. I'm working on all that too, but you know. Anyway, I guess that's about it. We've got to go to Nevada and get a loaner refrigerator, because we're still waiting on the repairman. It's not the repairman so much as it's the corporate bureaucracy of the outfit that Rhonda bought the extended warranty with. All it is, we had a fan go out, fan motor decided to quit working. But of course, you know, they were here Tuesday or Wednesday and looked at it. Then they had to go back to their shop and fill out all the proper forms, probably in triplicate and duplicate and all kinds of other nonsense. Probably had to fill one out for the government. And then the corporate bureaucracy had to review it and see if they were going to okay it, and then they had to get the part ordered. And well, originally they said it was going to be the 24th of this month, which would be next Friday, a week from today. But luckily they called Rhonda today, and the repairing people did, and said they'll be out Tuesday to fix it. So we caught a little bit of a break there anyway. So that's what's going on with us. We're going to leave here in a little bit, go to Nevada, pick up a loaner fridge. It's a little one, they say, but you know, so we can stop buying ice until they get ours fixed. Anyway, that's pretty much it for the day. Oh, I got a rant. Oh man, I had this whole COVID-19 bull crap it was already getting on my nerves, and now this everybody requiring you to wear a mask and blah blah blah, and just, you know, it's crazy. I know, I've heard it all. You guys, it's not for you, it's to help protect other people, and blah blah blah. Well, if the mask works so good, the other people wearing masks will be fine then. But anyway, here's the deal. If it's such a big deal, Target recently announced, I think it was yesterday, would have been Thursday, July the 16th, that they were going to start requiring everyone to wear a mask. They won't be like Walmart, evidently. But here's the thing I do not understand. Somebody explain this to me. That policy will not go into effect until August 2nd. This is July 17th today. So you're going to be fine until August 2nd. It might be the 1st. I don't know. But tell me that. How's that work? If it's that important, why are we delaying it almost? It's a little over a week now. But I can't figure it out. It just, I'm bumfuzzled. Anyway, it's just plain crazy. It just, the rules they're making, these policies, they make no sense. You know, our government experts are changing their mind all the time. They one time, oh, you don't need a mask. Next, oh yeah, you need a mask. Oh no, masks make it worse. No, now everybody has to wear a mask. I don't know, it makes me crazy. And you know, I understand that this has killed people. It really has, and that's sad. And I hate it, and if I could fix it, I would. But me wearing a mask to, well, anywhere, isn't going to fix that. You know, didn't you find out that a lot of these state agencies and even the Centers for Disease Control, the CDC, the government entity in charge of all this, has been, oh, what do I want to say? Inflating the numbers. State of Florida, I don't know, I've heard two different versions on this. About 30 versions. One is they were padding their numbers, which any way you look at it, they're doing that. And they were getting a 98% positive on everyone they tested. 98% of people had it. Well, now we find out, one story I heard was that, well, no, only about half the people we tested actually had it. So wouldn't that be like 50%? I don't know. I mean, you know, I'm not very good at math, but I think that's a big difference there. And then I saw a deal on Facebook today to where they're claiming now it was just a misplaced decimal point. Instead of 98 point something, it should have been 9.8%. It makes me crazy. I just don't understand. Somebody, you know, and people are all crazy about this mask thing. Let's get some facts straight first. I mean, I don't know what the facts are. I really don't. The most consistent thing I've seen is that there's a less than 1% chance of dying from it. It's got a better than 99% survival rate. The flu, or the different variations of the flu we get every year, doesn't have that high of a survival rate. Think about it. Anyway, it's crazy out there. That's all I got to say. If you like what I'm doing, hit the thumbs up and subscribe. I really appreciate. I appreciate all my subscribers. I picked up 2 more this week. You know, I don't know. Maybe there's some veteran YouTubers out there that's catching some of this or not, but I know 2 don't sound like much, but hey, I like it. I mean, you know, 2 more people like what I'm doing here. It makes me happy. So if you want to make me happy, subscribe. So anyway, you know, turn on the notification bell. Okay, well, I'm gonna wrap this up now. I've wasted enough time here. I gotta go find out what time we're headed up to Nevada. So, you know, everybody, let's look out for each other, try to help each other out, and pray for each other, because man, do we need it. We need it. And until then, catch you later.